Renishaw has first-hand process control expertise, which helps manufacturers worldwide apply high levels of automation and connectivity to their production processes. Our experience of operating our own production manufacturing gives our partners confidence that Renishaw technologies enable automated, productive and cost-effective machining. Our technologies enable automated feedback for intelligent process control, critical for smart manufacturing. We develop products which solve key measurement challenges, like maintaining system accuracy without sacrificing speed. Because measurement speed can be critical to achieving high levels of throughput, Renishaw probing systems with multi-sensor capability capture data rapidly, reducing measuring time and providing actionable data more quickly. Renishaw equipment such as machine tool probes, gauging systems and calibration devices provides the data that enables intelligent decision making. It's important that metrology devices are easy to use, and the latest smartphone and CNC controller apps give users easy access to shop floor metrology. Manufacturers need the flexibility to repurpose equipment to accommodate shorter product life cycles and growing product mix. Renishaw devices are programmable, meaning they can accommodate changes to production processes and parts. This flexibility means they can also be moved from pre-production to production scenarios as processes are developed and proven. We can help you to integrate smart factory technologies into your operations. Come and speak to us.